Nature Walk, written by Nicole S. Roos, illustrated by Braj Gopal Sahu.
All right, there we go. That is the title of our story.
Andy collects 10 leaves, and then he collects some more. How many leaves does he collect in all? 10 plus
8
equal.
Equals is voice time. Okay, so how many are on the picnic table?
10
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. How many are in his hand?
2
2. So 10 plus
8
2
equals
equals
12.
12. Whenever you have 10, remember our 10 frames? Build in one whole 10 frame. We add 2 to it. We have a total of 12.
I know
So
that.
10, 11, 12. So you're going to need to write in this as
Goals?
your book.
10 plus 2 equals 12.
Did you write that on your book? Awesome. You can go ahead and turn to the next page.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay, go ahead.
What's the next page?
Oh, you know what? I forgot you to have you do one thing on that page. So can you turn back to the beginning page? I thought I was missing something there.
What?
Okay, I want you to circle the group of 10. So what I want you to do is draw a circle around the group of 10 leaves. So we're back on the first page. Sorry, friends. And then I want you to color the 2 leaves that you added. So take out a crayon and color in the 2 leaves that you added. Any color for those leaves. Okay, once you do that, turn to the next page so I know you're ready. Okay, we're not coloring all the leaves. We're just circling the leaves. That's a group of 10, and then just coloring the 2 leaves. So the only leaves that we're coloring are the 2 leaves we added. So these 2 leaves. 10 plus 2 equals 12. And we're moving on to the next page. All right, here we go.
Andy finds 10 rocks, and then he finds some more. How many rocks does he find in all? 10 plus.
Okay, so there's a group of 10 rocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle that group of rocks. And then he finds how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you color those 5 rocks in. And you're going to write in 10 plus 5 equals, how many are there all together? 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15.
Equals.
Here we go.
10 plus 5 equals 15.
Okay, when you circled your group of 10, colored your rocks, and wrote in your equation, you can look at the next page. Here we go.
Andy chases 10 butterflies, and then he chases some more. How many butterflies does he chase in all? 10 plus.
Okay, so here's a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 butterflies. Circle that group of 10 butterflies. in yet, or in a while. Johan.
14.
14, awesome. He said 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what we're going to be doing on this next chapter. So let's listen to that video here now.
Equals
Okay, so here we go.
10 plus 4 equals 14.
All right. Now, we're going to go on to the next page. Last
Andy
page.
counts 10 ants, and then he counts some more. How many ants does he count in all? 10 plus equals,
All right, so let's look. Where's my group of 10 ants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle that group of ants. Here's 10. 10 plus how many more? Color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Color in those 7 ants. We're gonna write 10 plus 7 equals how many altogether? Eden. 17. Good. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good. Good.
10 plus 7 equals 17.